Hello everyone, and welcome to a Stamping Within unboxing video. I have a box of goodies. Oh dear me, so I've got my scalpel here. I should try not to impale myself on it like I've done before. And I'm just going to go down. Right, there we go. Right, we have these plastic bag things, which seems to be the favourite choice now. They are recyclable, it says, 100% recyclable and reusable, and they do have a standard compliant thing. So yeah, right, this isn't really a big unboxing as you can see. Oh dear me, it's 16 ink pads and it weighs quite a lot actually. It's the New Colours Assortment Classic Stamping Pads. This is the pack that was put together when we had the colour refresh last June. I've not actually ordered it yet, as you can see, until now, but now I finally have my hands on it. And what else do we have in the box? You guessed it, it's a new catalogue. No, slap my wrists, I can't show you inside yet, you've got to wait. But I can't. But a project for this week is that I shall be binding this, much in the same way as if I just reach over to the current catalogue. As you can see, I comb bound it and added all the tags, which I should be doing again for this catalogue. It makes stuff easier to find. So let's see what colours we've got, because I can't show any of that yet, but I can show you these. I'm standing up actually for this video, you may not have noticed. If I just put a line just down there and then open out like that, and here's what we have. So that goes in the bin. So for the first stack we have Petal Pink, Poppy Parade, Shaded Spruce and Soft Sea Foam. I already have a soft, do I know? Yes, I already have a Soft Sea Foam, so it came in a kit I think. My second pile, Mango Melody, love this colour. Merry Merlot, Mint Macaron. I got rid of the old Mint Macaron now when Stampin' retired it. Yeah, I should have kept it, shouldn't I? And Mossy Meadow, another one that has come back to haunt me almost. Gorgeous grape, beautiful colour. Granny Apple Green, Grey Granite, I love this new grey. And Highland Heather, beautiful purple. And last but not least, Balmy Blue, love this. Blackberry Bliss, another returning in colour. Coastal Cabana, which is one from before it became a demo, but I believe it was a previous in colour. And Floated Flamingo, which I still have, I suspect. Do I still have it? Yes, I still have it in the old style stamping pad. So yeah, so that's what I've got. 16 ink pads and a new catalogue. So lots of fun coming my way and hopefully your way. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, ring the notification bell, ding 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 when you subscribe, and you'll always know when I've got something on the boil. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.